Cropping tools. Photoshop 2024 provides 4 cropping tools to crop the images in various ways. Let's learn about them. Crop tool. Crop tool is used to trim an image and remove unwanted areas from the image. You can also make a new image from the original image without affecting the original image. Follow the below steps to crop an image. Step 1. Open an image in Photoshop which you want to crop. Step 2. Select the crop tool from the Tools panel. Photoshop automatically places a crop box and handles around your image. Handles can be seen in each of the 4 corners as well as in the middle of the sides. Step 3. Click and drag these handles to crop the image according to the requirement and press Enter key when done. Don't forget to uncheck the Delete Crop Pixels checkbox in the Options bar to be able to change the crop selection later on. Perspective Crop Tool. Sometimes we need to work on an image which has some distortions deformity. It happens when an object is photographed from a different angle instead of a straight view. This can make a square look like a trapezoid. With the help of the Perspective Crop tool, you can straighten and correct these distortions by adjusting the perspective of the image. This tool will also help you to elongate the subject as though you had taken the photo from a different perspective. Perform the following steps to use the Perspective Crop tool. Step 1. Open an image in Photoshop. Step 2. Click and hold the left mouse button pressed on the Crop tool in the Tools panel. A flyout menu opens. Step 3. Select the Perspective Crop tool from the flyout menu. Step 4. Draw the cropping border around the image. You will notice the crop handles and a grid appears all over the cropped area. Step 5. Start dragging the handle in the top left corner towards the right until the vertical grid line matches the left side of the image. Also drag the handle in the top right corner towards the left until the vertical grid line matches the right side of the image. Step 6. Press the Enter key from the keyboard. This removes the distortion from the image and crops the image to the selected portion only. Slice tool and Slice Select tool. Slice tool divides an image or layout into smaller sections called slices which can be exported and developed separately. This is mainly used for web publications. These small slices can be saved as a separate file and can be modified using the Save for Web command. The slices created manually are called user slices. As we create user slices, Photoshop automatically divides the rest of the area. Slice tool automatically becomes Slice Select tool whenever we hover over a user slice. This allows us to edit it without having to manually select the Slice Select tool each time. To slice an image, perform the following steps. Step 1. Open an image in Photoshop. Step 2. Click and hold the left mouse button pressed on the Crop tool in the Tools panel. A flyout menu opens. Step 3. Select the Slice tool from the flyout menu. Step 4. Click and drag across an image manually. The user slices are created. Step 5. Use Shift plus click to add slices to the selection. Now, you can move, resize or align the slice with other slices. You can also put up a name, message and URL for the slice by double-clicking on a slice.